Okay, she just... Okay. Well, she's done licking it. Don't know what she's doing, that crazy dog. I don't know, my phone a little bit, sorry. Just so you know, I'm not cutting any of these 24, so I'm leaving it. I'm gonna cut out some parts that I think are boring though. So I slid into her and she got up. Here she goes again. And now she's just laying there. Okay. I want to show you guys something. I need to make sure you can see. Okay. Alright. See this lid? I'm going to slide it off of this. Alright. And it's going to just keep sliding. Okay. Ready? Oh no, come on. I was not doing it. Ready? There it goes. That's how it works. Wait. I'm sitting on it. Holy crap, I hear it echoing. That's how loud it is. Marta's like, what are you doing? What are you doing? I don't even know what she's doing. Okay. This is so fun to play out in the snow. I just love it. And that's not even snow because it's not even in our yard. Scratching your armpit. Oh, she's chasing her tail. I've never seen her chase her tail before. Okay, now she's just licking her butt. Okay, that's just disgusting. Now she's just licking her butt. That's just disgusting. I need to talk louder over there so you guys can actually hear me. But I'm going to talk really loud now. Not really loud. I don't want to wake up neighbors. It's like 8 o'clock. Woo, doggies. So fun. Huh, doggies. This is no place to go. Let us know. Okay, I don't hide off this. He gets playing. Wait, let me see if I can get some more. I'll be back when I have enough soap to do that thing. Guys, I just found a face. Do you see it? The face? I'm sorry, I find faces everywhere. I have hair in my mouth. Face! Found a face. Can I even move these? Well, there you go, guys. I found a face. Marty, what are you doing back here? Marty, what are you doing back here? Nothing? Okay. Well. Marley, why are you whining? Do you need to go potty? I'll let you go potty. I noticed earlier, guys, that these are, I noticed yesterday that these are perfect circles. Alright, anyway. Sister, no place to go. Let it snow. Let it snow. Let it snow. Alright, let me get to where you guys can see the snow. So it's snowing everywhere. Well, that's about it for this video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed. Leave a like and leave a like if you did enjoy, and subscribe. And today you're going to be like, okay, New Year's or Christmas Eve, not New Year's Eve, Christmas Eve. Put a spoon under your pillow, wear your pajamas inside out, and flush ice down the toilet. Okay? Like 2 pieces of ice down the toilet, okay? Per person. Okay? And you might get snow. It's just a thing. Not really not always true, but you can hope. So yeah. We're gonna try it this year, I hope. But yeah. Have a great day, and I'll see all you guys in the next video. Bye! Get a bye from Marley. Yep, there we go. That yawn was a bye. Bye.